Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back. Today we will talk about beautiful and easy Christmas home decoration ideas. Christmas is the season of joy, love and light decoration. Friends, your home can make the holiday even more special. You don't need to spend a lot of money. With a few simple and creative ideas, your home can look warm, cozy, and festive. Let's begin. Let's start with the entry front door. In the first things people see, you can hang a Christmas wreath made for pin leaves, red ribbons, and tiny bells. If you don't have a wreath, you can make one yourself with paper, fabric, or even all elements. Add a welcome mat with a Christmas message, and your doorway will instantly feel festival. Next, let's move friends. For a cozy touch and handmade decoration like paper, snowball, or crochet ornaments, place some gifts wrapped in colorful paper under the tree to complete the look. Lighting is very important. Christmas decoration use warm yellow flags around window, mirror, and straw. You can also put candles inside glass jar and decorate them with glitter or ribbon. This will create a magical glow in your home. Don't forget about the walls checklists. You can hang stockings with names written on them. Add line made from the pin cones, orange or even colorful paper. This small detail brings warmth and joy to the room. For the dining table,